Today I am reviewing the Insta360 X5 8K 360 degrees action camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a next-generation action camera that pushes the limits of immersive video and intelligent filming, the Insta360 X5 8K 360 degrees action camera is one of the most advanced options available today. Designed for creators, vloggers, adventurers, and filmmakers, this powerful camera combines 8K 360-degree recording, advanced AI processing, rugged durability, and impressive battery life into a compact device built to capture life from every angle. Let's begin with the most exciting feature of the Insta360 X5. Its 8K 360-degree video capability. Equipped with dual 1/1.28-inch sensors, this camera captures stunning 360-degree footage at 8K resolution and 30 frames per second. This means you're not just recording a scene. You're capturing the entire environment around you with remarkable detail and clarity. Whether you're hiking through mountains, exploring a busy city, riding a bike, or documenting travel adventures, the camera preserves every angle so you can decide later which perspective you want to highlight. The larger sensors also play a huge role in improving image quality. Compared to many traditional action cameras, these sensors capture more light, richer colors, and greater dynamic range. The result is sharper footage with better highlights and shadows, making both bright daylight scenes and darker environments look impressive. Low-light performance is another area where the Insta360 X5 stands out. The camera uses a triple AI chip design, which dramatically improves image processing and noise reduction. This technology allows the camera to maintain clean, vibrant video even in challenging lighting conditions such as dusk, indoor environments, or nighttime scenes. Instead of grainy footage, you get smooth and usable clips that still maintain excellent detail. One of the most unique features that creators love about Insta360 cameras is the Invisible Selfie Stick effect. When you attach the camera to a selfie stick and record in 360 degrees, the stick automatically disappears from the footage. The result is a stunning third-person perspective, almost like having a floating drone camera following you. This effect is perfect for action sports, travel vlogs, and cinematic storytelling, giving viewers a dynamic and immersive viewing experience. Another convenient feature is Instaframe mode, which makes sharing videos much easier. With this mode, the camera automatically generates a standard flat video while simultaneously recording the full 360-degree footage. You can let the camera automatically track your movement or lock in a specific angle. Later, you can revisit the original 360 video and choose completely different perspectives, ensuring you never miss a great moment. When it comes to stabilization, the Insta360 X5 performs exceptionally well thanks to FlowState Stabilization combined with full 360-degree horizon lock. This technology keeps your footage smooth and perfectly level even during intense movement. Whether you're running, cycling, skiing, or riding on rough terrain, the camera stabilizes the footage so it looks professional and steady. The horizon lock feature is especially impressive, maintaining a perfectly level horizon even if the camera rotates completely. Durability is another major improvement in this model. The X5 introduces rugged, replaceable lenses, which means if the lens becomes scratched or damaged during extreme activities, it can be replaced quickly without needing to replace the entire camera. This makes the device much more practical for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure filmmakers who frequently shoot in tough environments. Audio quality has also been improved. The camera features a 4-microphone array with a built-in wind guard, designed to reduce wind noise and capture clearer voice recordings. This is particularly useful for vloggers and travelers who often record in windy outdoor conditions. The microphone system intelligently focuses on voices while minimizing background interference. Battery life is another strong point of the Insta360 X5. The upgraded battery can deliver up to approximately 185 minutes of recording time, which is significantly longer than many action cameras. Even better, the device supports fast charging, reaching around 80% battery in just about 20 minutes. This means less waiting and more time capturing content. The camera is also designed for adventure with waterproof capability up to 49 feet or 15 meters without requiring an additional case. This makes it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, surfing, or capturing underwater scenes while traveling. Editing and sharing your footage is surprisingly simple thanks to the Insta360 mobile app and its AI editing tools. With AI-powered editing features, the app can automatically analyze your footage and create highlight clips, saving you hours of manual editing. If you're in a hurry, you can also use one-tap export to quickly generate a shareable video without any editing at all. In terms of design, the camera remains compact and portable, making it easy to carry in a pocket or attach to helmets, bikes, or other mounts. Despite its small size, it delivers an incredible combination of professional video quality, smart software features, and rugged durability. Overall, the Insta360 X5 8K 360 degrees action camera represents a major step forward in immersive video technology. With its 8K 360 recording, powerful AI processing, exceptional stabilization, replaceable lenses, and long battery life, it's an outstanding choice for creators who want to capture unique perspectives and tell more engaging visual stories. Whether you're an adventurer, travel vlogger, filmmaker, or social media creator, the Insta360 X5 gives you the tools to capture your experiences in a way that feels truly immersive. Instead of worrying about framing the perfect shot in the moment, you can simply record everything and choose the best angles later. For anyone who wants a powerful, intelligent, and versatile action camera capable of producing cinematic 360-degree footage, the Insta360 X5 is easily one of the most exciting cameras available today.